I better free Chuckles before it's too late.
Well, looks like we meet again, Elijah.
Elijah! How are you alive? I killed you!
KnuxMetal revived me, and I want my revenge.
Oh, we'll see about that, EXE faker. That takes care of you. You'll never get your revenge. Farewell, Elijah. No problem, Chucks, but there's no time now. We need to get to Chuck's temple. Agreed. We better continue on if we're gonna stop Chuck.
Yes, Master. We'll make sure we'll slow them down.
There you two are.
Yes, and we're to take you down.
Oh boy. What's the plan, Chucks? Okay, buddy, be careful.
Ha! 3 against 1. You won't stand a chance.
Chuckles, I heard an explosion. Are you alright? Wow, it's been a long time since we were on the speedway.
Hold it right there.
Oh, not again!
Don't mess another with me. And one of you has to fight them, and then both of you have to fight me after. Good, we have a seat for your friend. Let's begin.
Jeez, that was crazy!
And now I've been waiting for this moment.
Elijah, why are you blocking our way?
Listen, you two, I don't want to fight, so you can trust me, okay?
We'll fight you if we must, imposter.
Come on, I want to cut a deal.
I'll make deals with you, bone feeder. And therefore, you are one of my enemies.
Fine. If you won't hear my offer, then I'll have to kill you for Chuck.
Not fighting you. It's time for you to face the power of teamwork. Well, that was too easy.
Not so fast.
Well, at least you didn't. Look, there's Chuck's temple. Let's go. I see Chuck over there.
I wouldn't say so myself.
Sark.
Yes. Me and Cream are gonna kill you if you're gonna kill my partner.
Oh, no you don't. Get them, Cream.
Yes, Master.
That's Chuckles and Elijah to you, Chuck. Come on, Chucks. Let's get out of here.